Hey, hello guys, Flash here for another video. Today we're going to discuss about SMEGMARS. This cryptocurrency could potentially reach $1. Okay, so hopping onto their website over here, SMEGMARS invest, grow and give. They're a community-driven project that implemented some of the best tokenomics around. The goal is very simple: end testicular cancer. They had an audit by Hacken. It has already been completed. We can see the smart contract code review and security analysis report. They have passed, as we can see over here. I will leave the link to that in the description. BSC scan, so they are currently sitting at 6,622 addresses. You can see that SMEGMARS was launched on the 4th of June as a massive pump, as people bought in, I think, the start. Took profits again over here, and on the 8th of June another pump. SMEGMARS has an anti-whale, anti-rug pull and auto staking, plus it is a community token. I will also leave this link in the description, so if you guys want to check everything that they have into their white paper. So here on the tokenomics, there's a 7% auto staking, 0.5% anti-whale, and 1% burn baby. 7% of every transaction is distributed back to investors. 0.5% prevents any person from buying or selling more than 0.5% of their coins in a single transaction. And 1% is the burn tax on all transactions. The website is very nicely done. You can see here the roadmap. Initial launch, first phase, 1.5 million market cap achieved within 3 days, 10,000 donated to November testicular cancer research, started social media marketing via Twitter, Instagram and TikTok, obtained full-time influencer to be part of the team, including these two. Second phase, launched V2 contract with improved economics, successfully listed on CoinGecko. You can see also if we click on that, it will launch us on CoinGecko. V2 audit has been submitted. Pro market cap application submitted. Phase 3 that we are on right now lists on multiple exchanges such as Whitebit, XT, Blockfolio. Initiate global marketing strategy for all social media and relaunching merchandise store. Let's say you guys want to buy some SMEGMARS. Firstly, you'll have to go to the website, click on the Pancake swap over here. It will redirect you to Pancake swap website. After that, just put in whatever amount of BNB you want to swap. Let's say I want to purchase 0.03 worth of BNB. Make sure the slippage tolerance is on 12%. Click on swap, confirm the swap. MetaMask will give us a notification. Just wait until it loads, and just confirm it. Click on confirm. Transaction has been submitted. We can see it on BSC scan. Let's click on that and let's wait for it to success. So we can see here we have refreshed the page. We have bought 24,613 SMEGMARS. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group as well as giving them a follow on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to notifications, and I'll catch you guys into the next one.